Hey everyone, welcome back to SFDC Lesson. Today we have an exciting tutorial where we will be exploring a powerful feature of Salesforce Inspector extension. We will be diving into the data export feature, a handy tool for extracting and analyzing data directly from your Salesforce environment. If you are ready to streamline your data export process, you are in right place. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have Salesforce Inspector extension installed and configured. If you have not done that yet, check out our video in the iHelp for a step-by-step guide. Okay. Here we are in Salesforce environment. Open your Salesforce Inspector by clicking on the extension icon here. Navigate to the data export tab here. So let me just open that. All right, so here we can write the SOQL query and we can export the records from Salesforce all. Okay, so you can see we have a couple of options here. So you can see we have a checkbox. If you check this checkbox, then it will export the records which is already deleted. You can use the tooling API. Okay, and also you have an option to save your SOQL query. Let's say you have written a query right now and you want to use it later. Okay, you can save it. You just need to click on this plus icon and it will be saved here. Okay, we'll see how we can do that. So let me just write a simple SOQL query to extract the accounts from org. Okay, so I will just write query here. Select ID from account, and here you can see it will start suggesting you the object name and also the field name. Okay, so now I'm going to add the some fields here. So I will add name field, and so you can see here it's suggesting you the field name now. Okay, and I'm going to add the website, phone number. All right, and we have the button here, export. So you just need to click on export, and here we go. So we have total 330 accounts in the system, and we got the result here. So we can see. So now we have these three buttons. So you can copy the result in the Excel format. You can copy the result in CSV format and also in the JSON format. This is really helpful. Okay. So if you want to just copy this data in your Excel file, you can just click on this button and paste in the Excel format. Okay, so you can write all kind of query that you are writing in the developer console or workbench. So this will support everything. Okay, now let's say you want to save this query, so you just need to click on this and it will be added in this list. Okay, so next time when you open that, then you can find you will find this. Okay, and you just need to click on this and export it. Okay, now let's see, let's try this one. Okay, so I check this checkbox and let's see. Okay, so now we can see here we have three more record, I think, which was deleted, and now included the deleted records as well. Okay, now let's see how we can use the tooling API. So let me just try to get the custom labels using the tooling API. So I will just write a query, select ID from custom label. Let's give it the name and value. Okay, and hit export. So now we can see we have the custom label name and the value. we have fetched this record with the help of tooling API. Okay. So you can see the custom level is not supported in the normal SOQL query. So you have to use the tooling API to get the information. Okay. Similarly, you can query other objects, right? For example, let's say you want to query the validation rule, right? So let's say ID from validation. Let's check this and let's see validation rule, right? So it will auto suggest your object name as well as the field names. So this is really helpful. Okay. So let me just give it the name also here. So validation name, and we have many fields, right? So we have error message. Let me try formula. So no, okay, we don't have the formula. So we have a different fields, right? You can explore those, and so we can see here. So we have the validation name, what error message that we have used. We have a description. So yeah, this is really helpful. You can also save this. Okay, so here we have this, and if you want to remove the saved query, you just need to click here, and it will and then it will remove the saved query. So now we can see we don't have any saved query. Okay. And here in this pick list, you can see the history as well. Okay. So you can use it, right? If you want to use the previous queries, you can use it here. And this is again a button to clear the history as well. Okay. So yeah, this is really helpful tool for writing a SOQL query quickly and get the result. Data export feature in Salesforce Inspector is a game changer when it comes to extracting data effortlessly. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any question or want more tutorial like this, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Salesforce insight. Until next time, happy exploring. Bye bye.